When it comes to high voltage power distribution, there is no room for error or compromise. You need electrical connections you can count on and a contractor you can trust. ERTH Infrastructure Services Group partners with utilities, municipalities, developers, and ICI sector businesses across Ontario to provide turnkey electrical solutions. With over 30 years of experience, ERTH offers high and low voltage project management, engineering, procurement, construction, commissioning, preventative maintenance, inspection, and repair services to meet the growing needs of the electrical power consumer. Our turnkey suite of high voltage electrical services includes transformer testing, oil analysis and trending, switchgear preventative maintenance, inspection, service, and installation, battery testing, high voltage cable installation, termination, and testing, power studies, substation design build solutions, substation preventative maintenance inspections, technical reports, utility pole line construction, maintenance, and on-call services, and overhead and underground cable installation. When choosing ERTH, you can rest assured that our team of certified electrical contractors and engineers have the experience, skills, and knowledge to deliver safe and reliable electrical solutions. From pole line to service entrance, ERTH is committed to providing connections you can count on.